Hello, good morning. Today we are continuing with the same chapter. So, in the last class, we learned that the water that kept by caravan is almost over. So, the people in that group were complaining to the trader that they can't do anything without that water. Now we can just find out what did that leader do or that trader do. Then the trader thought to himself, so he is thinking that what if I lose courage now, my leadership has no meaning. That means the trader think that what if I lose my courage, if I lose my courage now, what will others think? Huh? What will others think? They will think that, oh, yes, this trader is not a good leader. That's why he is just behaving like this. He can't do anything, and almost all the water that we have in our hands are over. So, this trader is not doing anything. Okay, if I begin to complain just like the others, courage means the ability to do something. Okay, so I if I begin to complain just like the others, everything will be lost. So he is saying that if I just started complaining like others, we are not going to do anything. We will lose everything. Since we have made it so far, I must find a solution to this problem. Okay, solution means answer to a problem or difficult situation. So he is just think that if he loses his courage, others will think what he is not a good leader. So he is just think that if I just started complaining like others, we will lose everything that we have learned. Not learned, we have earned. So others will think what, oh, he is not a good leader and we are going to lose everything. Okay, so he just think that he will find a solution. He is going to solve this problem. Suddenly, he saw a small clump of grass. Clump means small patch. Okay, clumps of grass. He thought, without water, no plant could live in this desert. So, the trader thinks that if there is a clump of grass here, if there is what small patches of grass is here, that means some water content is here in the desert or anywhere else. Without water, plants can't survive there. Okay, so he called the most energetic means someone who is very active. So he called one of the active fellow travelers and asked them to dig up the spot. They continued digging for some time and found a large rock. So after digging, they find a large rock. The men gave up digging at once. Gave up means they just stopped their work. Digging means what, children? Making kurikiga. Okay, that is what digging. The men gave up digging at once, thinking they had hit a bed of rocks and that there was no water underneath. But the trader said, oh, you just dumb. If there is no water content there, please don't stop. We can crush that. What? We can crush that rocks. But the trader said, no, my friends, if we give up now, if we stop now, our poor animals will die. Why? Because without water, okay, we will also die from the heat. So he is saying that what? Don't give up now. If we give up now, our poor animals will die and we will also die from the heat. Please continue digging. He handed a heavy hammer to the young man standing near him and said, strike this rock with all your might. Might means strength. Oh, with all your strength, you just strike this rock. The man lifted the hammer over his head and hit the rock as hard as he could. Everyone was surprised. Why everyone was surprised? Everyone was surprised when the rock split into two and a mighty stream of water gushed out from under it. So, what happened, children? Gushed means flowed out. What happened? By so the farmer, so using that hammer, that man, that active young man, hit the rock as hard as could. And after that, what happened? The rock split into two, and a mighty stream of water. So the just that water started flowing out. The people of the caravan were extremely happy. So all of them were very happy. Why? Because they got water from there. They drank from the stream, bathed, washed their animals, cooked their food, and rested. They thanked their leader for his perseverance. Perseverance means to continue doing something even in a difficult situation. That means after seeing the rock, what he do? He just encouraged that young people to that young active people to continue their work. After that only they get water. That is what here perseverance means, that to continue doing something even in a difficult situation. In a difficult situation also the trader didn't stop there. He just continued his work. And presence of mind means the quality of thinking calmly and clearly in a difficult situation. That means if we are facing any problem, you just be peace and just calmly think about that, you will get a solution. And don't get tensed. If you are tense, you are not going to find out solution for that problem. Okay. Soon they safely made their way across the desert. So what happened? After taking rest, they safely crossed the desert. Okay, so this is a Jataka tale. Jataka tale means what, children? It means Jataka tales are very old stories that originated in India. They contain many important lessons about life. These stories are often used to teach values to children. So, what lesson you learn from here? So, in every difficult situation, you have to keep calm and try to find out a solution. Don't we get confused or sad? Okay. Now, choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. The trader was going to another country to what? Sell his goods, meet his family, attend a wedding. What was the answer? Yes, sell his goods. Second one, the gate could find the way by following the stars. Second one, okay, B. The gate fell asleep because yes, C is the right answer, because he was tired from the heat. Fourth one, the travelers complained that they could not sleep, had no water, were confused. Why the travelers complained? Because they had no water, so B is the correct answer. Fifth one, the trader knew that he could find water when he saw what? A clump of grass. Okay. Sixth one, the young man used a hammer to break the rock. Okay, children. So today this is enough for you. So you have to do one thing. You have to go through this chapter, and if you have any doubt, call me. Okay, children. Thank you.